Hey everybody, my name is Alex with Hake Hardware, and in this video we are going to install Docker on Ubuntu 24.04. So the first step we're going to do is jump over to our terminal, and we are going to uninstall any potentially conflicting packages. So I'm just copying the command from the wiki, which is linked in the description of the video. And what it's going to do is just do a little loop here and make sure none of these packages are installed. And if they are, it's going to remove them. So we can clear that out. And then we're going to just make sure all of our packages are up to date with sudo apt-get update. And then we're just going to be following some commands here. So we'll install a few dependencies. We have CA certificates and curl. I believe both of those are already installed. We're going to create the directory for key rings, then download our GPG key, and then set the permissions. And then we're going to add the Docker repository and then do a sudo apt-get update to get the latest packages. And then we just install all the packages that we need here. So we'll just accept the default here, which is yes, and we'll install the 442 megabytes worth of packages. And the last thing we want to do is just make sure Docker works. So there's like a hello world container you can deploy, but I just do sudo docker ps, which is kind of like listing containers. And I can see that did return a result, which means it's most likely set up. Now there's one more step that you can do. I don't do it, but you can add the current user to the Docker group. And that basically allows you to run commands like docker ps or any other Docker command without sudo. However, if you do this, the Docker group basically has sudo privileges in a way. I'm not sure like if it's exactly one-to-one, but you're basically giving your user account a lot more privileges than it needs. And I don't mind just putting in sudo because it's super quick. So I will just not do that step typically and just leave it how it is. So that's it. Super quick, super easy. Installing Docker on Ubuntu is very quick. So hopefully this was helpful. If it was, feel free to leave a like, and I'll see you in the next video.